Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2012 Yamaha V-Star 950. This cruiser has just under 5,300 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. The bike is nice and clean. It's got a couple of little scuffs and dings on it from actually being ridden. But no tip over damage, so it's nice and clean. Tires are in good shape, got some miles left on them. Comes with a clear, quick release windscreen with pouch. We also have a 12 volt and a USB charging port, grips, footboards for the driver, highway bars, Mustang seats for both the passenger and the driver, leather saddlebags, and a passenger backrest and luggage rack. Rear tire appears to be in good shape. Looks like there's smiles still left on that. Oh, and I did forget our 2-in-1 Vance & Hines pipe. Let me show you again like we're on the other side. Leather saddlebags, passenger backrest and luggage rack, Mustang seats, footboards for the driver with the heel toe shifter, and again our aftermarket grips, tool pouch and charging port. And again, our quick release clear windscreen and highway bars. All right, I'll show you them miles now. 5625 is what's on it. And as I said before, we also have a 2-in-1 Vance & Hines pipe on it. This 2012 Yamaha V-Star 950 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.